Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. In today's lecture, we are going to solve this question, K anagrams. Okay, so we have discussed earlier question which was find all anagrams. Okay, so I am hoping that you know this meaning anagram. Still, I'll be telling you. Okay, after this. Okay, so let's read the question first. You are given two strings S1 and S2 and a number K. Okay, you have to find if two strings are K anagrams of each other or not. Okay, two strings are called K anagrams if both S1 and S2 are having same character. Okay, so firstly, let me tell you about the anagrams. Let's say I am having a word SKT and K. Okay, and one word is KSKT. Okay, so what actually anagram means? That number of characters. Let's say here in this string, S is coming one time. Okay, and let's make its frequency map. First, S is coming one time and K is coming how many times? Two times, and T is coming one time. Okay, so the character which are coming any number of times, that must be equal to this one, like this. K is coming two times in this string. This is, let's say, another string, and K is coming here two times. Okay, so that means K is correct. We have to check for all numbers. Okay, so here S is coming how many times? One time. Okay, in this string, yes, this is also correct. And T is coming how many times? T is also coming one time. Yes, so we can say that this string is the anagram of this one. Okay, so now I hope you know that what the anagram actually means. Okay, so now let's talk about this K anagram. What actually K anagram is? Okay, so here I am taking K input as, let's say, 3. Okay, so this is string 1 and this is string 2. Okay, yeah, so what we are going to do in this question, firstly let's make frequency map of this one. Okay, if I am going to make frequency map for S1 and let's say this is S2, so A is coming how many times? A1 2. Okay, is coming two times, and B is coming how many times? B is coming two times, and C is coming how many times? One time, and D is coming how many times? One time. Okay, and what about C2? A is coming three times, and B is coming one time, and E is coming one time. Okay, so what we have to do in this, that first of all the main thing is to be that the length of S1 and S2 must be equal, otherwise we can't do this question. Okay, yeah, fine. So what we are going to do, if see here is extra 1a. Okay, if I am going to subtract this, let's say if I want to subtract this, so A must be adjacent to A and E must be, let's say, here, E must be here, so let's say E1, and here E is 0 and here C is 0 and here D is 0. Fine. So what we are going to do here, when I'm going to subtract this, I'm going to subtract 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Okay, and that here what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract. So here it is plus 1 and here it is plus 1 and here it is plus 1 and D1 0 and C1, C is coming. Okay, and here it is minus 1. Yeah, B is also coming two times here. Okay, so it's not plus 1, it's 0 right now. Okay, so from here what I can see, that here what's not coming? E is not coming. E is coming 0 times. Okay, so here A is extra in this string. Okay, A is extra in this string. That means what actually left here, left A and minus 1 is where? Here. So here is left E. A and E. Okay, and here are plus 1 plus 1 now. So this is 0 and this is plus 1. That means C came, and what here, plus 1 D. Okay, so what if I say, let's see. Okay, if I say, if I'm going to convert this A, this string's A, okay, that means S2's A. See, I'm going to convert S2's A to C and S2's E to D. Okay, so I'm going to convert, let's say first I'm going to convert E to D. Let's say this is my E now, so I am going to convert it to D. Okay, and let's say one A is converted to C. If I am going to convert this A to C, then this string will be looking like this, right? D A B and C A B. So the words which are changed are this D, it was E first, and this C. Okay, these two are has been changed. Okay, so if now if I make the frequency map of this, I'll be getting what? See, A is coming how many times? A is coming two times. See, A is coming 2 times. Okay, B is coming how many times? B is coming 2 times. Yes, B is coming 2 times. D is coming and what about C? C is coming how many times? C is coming 1 time. That is fine. And now D is coming how many times? D is coming 1 time. Okay, so we have made this string, this s2 string, converted to, that means we have made this s2 string the anagram of s1. How? We have changed two characters, and we have converted this. That means we can convert this string to s1. That means wait, see, we can convert this string, this s2 string to s1 after changing how many characters? Two characters. Okay, I can see that. Okay, and here k is equal to what? K is equal to 3. That means k is equal to 3. That's fine. I can change up to 3 letters. What actually k is representing? K is representing that you can change up to 3 characters, no more than 3. So I here what I have did, I have changed only 2 characters, and my string 2 became the anagram of string 1. Okay, so now this question is correct, so I can return true from here. Okay, otherwise if there were, let's say, 4 words, let's say the situation was like that we have to, at least we have to convert 4 character to make the anagram of s1. That means then we have to return false, because the condition was that we can change up to 3 characters only. Okay, not more than 3. Okay, so let's take another example also. Let's talk about this FODR and GORK. F O capital letters. Okay, so yeah, FODR and GORK. Let's make the maps first, okay, of this and this. Okay, so F is coming 1 time, O is coming 1 time, D is coming 1 time, and R is coming 1 time. Here G is coming 1 time, O is coming 1 time, R is coming 1 time, and K is coming 1 time. Okay, from here I can see R is coming here, R is coming here. That's fine. Okay, R is coming here, R, these are cancelled out. Okay, and O is coming 1 time, O is coming 1 time. These are also cancelled 1 time. Okay, so here K was 2. Let's say here K was 1. Let's say the given is K equals to 1. Let's say, so here what actually is happening, only the remaining characters are what? F, D, and in the second string that are G and K. Okay, if I can convert this G to F, and if I can convert this K to D, that means at least I have to convert 2 characters. This means I have to convert 2 characters to make the string S2 the anagram of S1. If I am going to change G to F, then my string second will be looking like, if I am going to convert G to F, that means F, okay, and O is O, and I am going to R is R, and K is converted to D, and FORD. That means now my S2 is anagram of S1. That means I can convert this by changing 2 characters, but k was 1 here, but now here answer, what answer we got? Here we get 2 answer, that I can convert only at least 2 characters I have to change to make it anagram of s1. Okay, but here we have to return false. Why? Because the limit was 1, that you can convert only 1 character. Okay, so in this case we have to return false. Okay, so how will be going to do this question? See, let's code it out. Okay, yeah, so let's code this out. Okay, we have to code it in C++. Fine. Yeah, so initially what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a map. Okay, so unordered map it is. Okay, of keys character and values are integer. Okay, basically we are making frequency map here. Okay, and I'm naming it as map. Okay, so firstly I'm going to do what I'm going to fill this map with string 1. That means character of string 1 I'm going to fill in this map. Okay, so for I equals to 0, I less than whatever the length is, str1 dot size. Okay, yeah, here I plus plus. Fine. So firstly what we have to do, we have to check first that if this character is present in this map or not. Okay, yeah, so firstly I'm going to access this character ch, which is equal to str1 of I. Okay, and if map dot find ch does not equal to map dot end. That means this key is present, already present in this map. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I just have to update its value and increment its value to 1, because I'm making the frequency map now. It's very basic. I'm thinking that you all know this. Okay, yeah. So else what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new key and I'm assigning the value as 1 here. Okay, so now what I have did, uh, I have already made the map for string 1. Okay, fine, frequency map for string. Plus one more thing, if my string 1 length, okay, if its length is not equal to second one's length, okay, second string length, that means we can't make anagram for this, so we are just going to return false from here only. Okay, we can't make map of this one. Okay, yeah. So this is my for f1. Okay, so now what we are going to do, there was, let's say, two strings na, ford and rog. Okay, so what I have did here, I made frequency map for firstly string 1 and this is string 2. Okay, so f is coming one time, o is coming one time, r is coming one time, and d is coming one time. Fine, yeah. So now I'm going to iterate in the second string. See what I'm going to do here. So for int I equals to 0, I less than, yeah, I less than whatever the string 2 length is, yeah, size or length, whatever it is, and I plus plus. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, see, I am going to check whether it's present, whether this character present in this string or not. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to here access the character. Yeah, yeah. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to initialize a value, let's say int val from 0. So now what I'm going to do, I'll be accessing one by one every character one by one. Okay, see, I'm going to access the character one by one. Okay, so I'm going to firstly find out that this key is present in this or not. If not, then I'm going to do nothing. Okay, so now I'm going to see r. Yes, r is present, so I'm going to subtract it. Okay, so now o is present, I'm going to subtract this. Now g is present, g is not present. Okay, so in this string k and g are left, and in this string you can see f is 1 and d is 1. That means if I'm going to convert k to f and g to d, then I can have this anagram. Okay, so now I can access from here that how many characters are there that can be changed. That means I'm going to just sum the value. I'm going to add the remaining values of the map, and I'm going to get the answer here. Okay, then I'll be getting here what we'll be getting here two answer. Okay, that means I can at least two characters are to be converted to another ones to form the anagram. Okay, so yeah, so and after this we'll be checking if that count, if that count is less than equal to k or not. Okay, fine. So if map dot find ch, if map dot find ch does not equal to map dot, and what this actually means, that here I get the value of that means the character ch is present in this map. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the value. Okay, else if it's not present, then value is equal to 0 only. Okay, so after this what I'm going to do, if my value is greater than 0, wait, if my value is greater than 0, then I'm going to do what, I'm just going to decrease it by 1. That means it's present. If its value is now is greater than 0, okay, then I'm just going to decrease it. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, okay, so we have also done this. Okay, so now I'm going to access the frequency map. Okay, yeah, so auto x of, let's say, the name map, I'm going to access all the keys of the map. Okay, so my character, let's say this is my key, and it will be equal to what, x dot first. Fine, yeah, here I'm getting all the keys, and I'm going to do what, I'm going to initialize a, let's say, count variable, and which is count equals to 0. Fine, and I'm going to just add it. Okay, plus equal to what, my map of ch. Here I am getting the value. Fine. Okay, so at last what I'm going to do, now I also get the count. So now if my count is less than equal to whatever the k is, then I am going to return what? I'm going to return true. True, otherwise I am going to return what? I am going to return false. Yeah, this was it. This was the code. Let's try to run this and see. Let's check if there are any errors. Okay, it's wrong answer. Let's see where we are wrong. Return false. And here's also, let's see. Okay, so let's see where we are wrong. str1 here. Yes, here it's not ch, it's I. Okay, now let's see another ones if there are any other errors. Okay, so let's try to run this again and see. Let's check if, yeah, now it's working. Let's try to submit this and see if all the test cases are getting passed or not. So it's loading. You can also make, yeah. So here we are. Here we got the correct answer, and I hope you understood this question, that how we have to do this question. And if you are having any doubt, please watch this video again. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and please share and subscribe our channel. Okay, guys. Okay, then take care. Bye bye. See ya.